Swift Navigation welcomes you to the benefits of precise positioning for industrial machine control. First, a few words about what Swift does and what we mean by precise positioning. Precise positioning means improving the accuracy and precision of the location data from the standard GNSS range of around 3 meters or so down to less than 50 centimeters. That's the difference between having a reasonable expectation that you're on the right job site to being certain that you're digging in the right area, to knowing that you're within a few centimeters of that gas line or well. The standard range of 3-ish meters is caused by the sum of several errors introduced as satellite signals are received on the ground. Those errors come from minor deviations in each satellite's orbit and clock, as well as interference introduced in the ionosphere, the troposphere, and by physical features like tall buildings or trees on the ground. Swift uses an array of reference stations across the country that make observations of these errors and sends them to our cloud for analysis. Our Skylark precise positioning service then calculates detailed corrections for these errors and then sends them to the vehicle over an internet connection. The Starling positioning engine on each vehicle is responsible for incorporating these corrections along with sensor inputs to produce an accurate and absolute position for that vehicle. Skylark can also be hosted on the company's own cloud if they prefer to manage their own data. Next, let's talk about how Skylark and Starling are used to add value in the industrial market. The most obvious improvement comes from increased efficiency. Whether the automated machine is on a construction site, planting, weeding, harvesting, or even mowing vast acreage, our goal at Swift is to help reduce the redundant and mundane tasks by automation. With the latest GNSS technology, coupled with the ever-increasing sensor capabilities, Swift can help scale your mass market applications with affordable, high-precision GNSS hardware, software, and correction services. GNSS machine control for construction is a widely adopted technology that is becoming the standard for lowering costs and delivering high-quality projects. Machine control has traditionally been very expensive and requires technology resources that are not generally available to industrial mass market robotics. With the Swift platform, redundant, time-intensive tasks on the job site can be affordable for even the smallest of tasks requiring position data. Machine control, and more specifically, positioning information, can make the job site more efficient. Automating redundant tasks not only saves on labor costs and fatigue, it helps create repeatable and consistent work, along with accurate and better performance. Creating geofencing around a work area, guiding a driver on haul roads, obstacle avoidance, and precise location of infrastructure and utilities helps maximize job site performance and safety. The same benefits translate to all industry. Agriculture is facing massive labor shortages and are being asked to produce more for less. With the digitalization of the farm, knowing the precise location of your automated equipment becomes very important. Because of labor and production demands, more and more agricultural organizations are increasing efficiency with fleet automation. From automated tilling, spraying, planting, weeding, and harvesting, machines are being asked to do more at higher accuracy and repeatability. Automated machines can now work around the clock handling tasks and gathering data, while staff are handling less mundane tasks. Technology is helping with the labor shortage, and as we continue to grow in population, automation is the key to better production yields and sustainability. Because of the lower cost of entry, Swift is helping manufacturers expand the use of mass market automation in areas we haven't seen yet. As technology develops, having a lower cost positioning platform with fusion from multiple sensors, it's allowing manufacturers not only to expand the use on job sites and farms, it's moving across the industrial vertical into things like UAVs, military, mining, coastal operations, and even that mower on the golf course. Until now, manufacturers who needed positioning in their robotic applications have hit the traditional cost barrier. For a mass market automated platform, manufacturers need to produce quality, low price equipment to end users in order to be competitive. Adding a machine control system that's 2, 3, maybe even 10 times the cost of your base product. It's just not viable. By combining years of GNSS and robotic experience, Swift has engineered models and systems that bring this same technology benefit at a fraction of the price. Regardless of the vehicle, the elements of precise positioning are the same. Skylark corrections are received by a cellular internet connection to provide seamless, highly accurate corrections across continents with state-of-the-art security and enterprise management features. Starling applies those corrections to the raw observations coming in through the GNSS receiver, then reconciles the corrected satellite position with other sensor data to reliably and consistently provide high-precision, absolute position for the robot. By combining precise location, accurate heading, and task efficiencies, automated GNSS industrial equipment can reduce cost and produce higher yield with less resources. At Swift Navigation, we look forward to helping you with your precise GNSS positioning needs.